We've got a thumbs up. Drivers behind the lines in 3, 2, 1, go.
Qualification match 16. Red Alliance backs up to the Alliance Station wall. Lady Can's trying to load from the outpost, doesn't quite make it. You got human players scoring in the Blue Alliance side of the field. Lady Can scores into the Red Alliance hub. Lady Can's attempted to get off the ground. Let's see if the referees agree. We move into teleoperated mode. Metal Jackets screaming around the neutral zone, trying to drive as many fuel into the Blue Alliance zone as possible. Lady Can's recollecting for their next shift. Techsplosion fires into the Blue Alliance hub. They make a couple of shots. Fusion Core attempting to reload, getting a little bit hung up on the fuel on the Blue Alliance side of the field. Meanwhile, in the Red Alliance, Lady Cans are stuffing themselves to the brim. It's a flurry of fuel into the Red Alliance hub. Mavericks doing a burnout in the middle of the field, trying to get off of the fuel they're hung up on. Iron Fangs shuttle more fuel into the Red Alliance side of the field as Lady Cans recharges and fires into the hub one last time. We move over to the Blue Alliance hub. Fusion Core lines up and they just miss the hub. Explosion trying to get lined up for another shot. They refill some fuel. Let's see if they have enough time left in their shift to make a few more points. Blue Alliance human players lobbing some last minute fuel into the Blue Alliance hub. Lady Cans fires in the Red Alliance as they make all but one. Explosion reloading in the neutral zone as Lady Cans unleashes another flurry of fuel. "30 seconds left in the match. Both hubs are active. Lady Cans reloads again. They move it in the neutral zone, trying to get some last minute fuel. But they high center on a fuel ball. Let's see if they can get free. Their partners, the Mavericks, try to come to help them. Lady Can screams back over to the Red Alliance field. They line up. Can they make their shot? Nothing's coming out. 3, 2, 1. And it's a Red Alliance win, 80-44. Red Alliance picks up 3 ranking points for the win.